What are we after? What do you want? You show me? What do you want? Yes. What would you like? Do you want your soup and your yogurt? Lucy? What do you want, baby? What do you want? Yes, you tell me. Love our Lucy. The fridge, well, you're not having any ham. I don't know whether I've got any ham today. Should we have a look, Lucy? Should we see if we've got some ham for you? Should we see if we've got some ham in the fridge? I think I have. Hang on. Yep, got some chicken. You gonna have some chicken? Listen to her. What do you want? Yes? You want some chicken? Lucy, have chicken. There you go. Bear in mind, you can see she's got food in a dish. You have your chicken. Thanks for watching. What? You okay? Yeah. Is that your chicken? Is that nice, Luce? Thanks for watching. See ya. She loves it.